Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Suziestouches, the Gele Guru. So for this particular video, I'm going to be making a vlog on how I styled up my bride. Come on guys. So today, my bride, she contacted me through the makeup artist that she wants a very good Gele artist. So she recommended me. Thanks to beautybydara for the recommendation. So she recommended me, and here we are styling up the bride. So the name of my makeup artist who recommended me for this bride is beautybydara. You can check her out on Instagram. A shout out to Dara. She's a very good makeup artist and her work is so lovely. You can see from this video, no editing. She has not even done her lips here. So beautiful. And the photographer is August 55 Media. Like, they're so good when you're in Ibadan, in Lagos, anywhere you want them to, they'll help you. Like, they are so good. You can check them out on Instagram, August 55. They are so good. They are the photographer for this particular event and for my bride. And here I am, Suziestouches, as you know, the Gele Guru. Anywhere I'm available to travel, guys. So the designer of this dress is Enquires clothing. She is so good, and trust me, she's the best you can think of. So for this particular fabric, it is called loom. Like, it is the best fabric you can think of. Dear brides, if you are watching this video, do not use any other material. It is expensive though, but it's just the best. You will get exactly what you want. It can work for any style, any type of design you want. It can work for it. Don't say I don't have money, I should go and go for single net, or you should go and go for counter single net. Don't let's do that. When you are doing a wedding, always try to slay. And it's not as if it's that expensive. It's expensive, but it's affordable. Let me put it that way. Because you are getting the quality of what you are putting your money into. It's just the best fabric. I love to use loom. All my makers that give me loom, I'm so happy using loom. It's a very good fabric. Guys, trust me. Do not forget to like, subscribe, click the share button. Guys, share and comment. Let me know your view about this particular vlog. Do you like it? So this particular fabric is a very nice fabric, as I'm saying, and most of the people that make loom, you can get loom in Oje, in Ibadan, you can get it in Lilore and Kogi. Those are the three people that I know that they are very good in making loom. Like, they are very good. So you can contact them if you need this particular fabric, or you contact me. I'm your errand girl. So guys, do not forget to like, share, because for me to do this vlog, so this is the Gele, because the bride said she wanted something simple and just a cross at the front, so I had to give her this, and she loved the look. Like, she loved it. She said she don't want it too high and something moderate. So guys, what I want to say in this vlog is try as much as possible to watch my past videos, practice, and if you don't understand anything on the previous video I've dropped, kindly reach out to me on my Instagram. I have my WhatsApp number there. So guys, the final look is coming, and guys, this is the final look. Gang. This is the final look, guys. She's so happy, like very excited. Oh, on my big day, look at me, look at her Gele, very set, like so set. Look at it compared to those single net crown texture. Can you see now? Very set and detailed. That is what you get when you use loom. And look at her husband, so beautiful. Happy married life, my bride. She's so happy. I know she's so happy because she said that she dreamt for this and it came true. Thank you.